All right, Daphne. Uncle Daniel, I guess your dad mentioned that you like shrimp. If it's not you and it's your sister, then this applies to them. But what you didn't see in the video was I put a little bit of avocado oil in there first just to help add. Okay, this is the completion. We're going to grill now. So you can see these are skewered, so we're going to put them right on the grill. Whoop! It's like this. And then when we flip them over, I'll put this one here and that one there because that's a little hotter in the area. I'm doing a fish there. That's chicken for Brie. Roasting a carrot from the garden. That is a sad looking carrot. Probably going to be disgusting. Alright, here we're going to do a flip. But I'm holding the... Oh, that looks good. Actually, so what? Because of where I was able to position stuff, I think we'll be okay. That one looks a lit... I would say that one's probably going to be the best one. These are probably all overcooked, but I like my food not well done.